guys, welcome to TC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see the recruitment updates from 4 different companies. The companies are ServiceNow, McAfee, NCR and TCS. So we'll be seeing mainly freshers recruitment in today's video. So if you are a fresher, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So the first recruitment update we are going to see is from ServiceNow. So they are hiring for software engineer post. The location is Hyderabad. And the qualification they're asking is 0 to 2 plus years of experience in Java or object-oriented language. Means you need to have a little bit of programming knowledge. Freshers can also apply. Okay. So preferably if you are from an IT related backgrounds like computer science, IT, EC, EI, all these branches are mainly eligible for this post. Okay. So if you are having either BSc qualification or if you are having MCA or BBTech qualifications in these streams, then you can definitely apply for this post. Also, you need to have a passion for JavaScript and web development related areas, analytical skills, design skills. So that is the requirement. Okay. So here the location they have actually specified is Hyderabad. Currently, you can get work from home. If you are interested, what you have to do is just click on this icon which is called I'm interested and then you can apply. Okay. So that is the first company update which is from ServiceNow. Second recruitment we are going to see is from McAfee. Here they are recruiting graduate technical intern. You can see the date of posting also. Okay. Here they are looking for interns and they have not asked for any qualification or anything. Only the skills they have mentioned here is strong knowledge in C++ and data structures. You need to have a knowledge in database management systems or DBMS related areas. Knowledge in computer networks, operating systems, and good communication skills. Again, all the EC, EI candidates, all the students of computer science, IT related or information science related branches can apply here because you guys study the these areas in your academic subjects or in the curriculum. Okay, so these are the skills which they are asking for this intern post. Okay. Again, if you are interested, just click on this apply now icon. All the links I'll be putting in description box. So whichever post you are interested or whichever recruitment you are interested, you can apply accordingly. Okay. This is a very latest recruitment update. So please don't miss out. Please do apply for it. Just click on this apply now icon. Then you can see an application form. First, you have to register with the company and then that is first you have to create an account in this company career site and then you have to fill an online application form. Okay, so that is the thing which you have to do. Next we are going to see again an intern recruitment update. A lot of people comment and asked about the internship updates. So here again they are recruiting for interns and the company name is NCR. So it is again a software company only. Here they are looking for people with qualifications MCA or BBTech and you need to be a candidate who is going to pass out in 2022. Okay, so this recruitment update is for 2022 batch only. Okay, so here other than that they have asked for excellent knowledge in computer science fundamentals, ability to understand business and technical requirements, excellent written and verbal communication skills, then excellent teamwork, collaboration skills. So this will be from November 21 to June 22nd. In between this, the internship program will start. Okay. Okay. So here they are not asking for any experience or anything. All the students who is going to graduate in 2022 year can apply for this. Just click on this apply now icon. The location here is Gurgaon is a location. Okay. So if you are interested, please do see the link. Please do read out this notification. And if you think that this is suitable for you, you can apply. Okay. Again, the last recruitment update we are going to see is from TCS. We have already seen about this recruitment in another video. So here, this is actually a bulk recruitment update from TCS. TCS is hiring for all the BBTech, MEMTech, MCA and MSc students of the year of pass out 2020 and 2021. Okay. So all these students of 2020 and 2021 batch of these streams can apply here. This is a bulk recruitment update. The test they have already started, but the last date to register is on 30th of November. So you can register here till 30th of November and you can give the test. Okay, so the registration is still open. It will be open till 30th of November. Again, they have given the eligibility criteria and all here in detail. Let us have a look on the eligibility first. So you need to have 60% or 6 CGPA in the 10th, 12th diploma if applicable. in the graduation and the post graduation. So diploma plus BTech candidates can also apply here. Okay, so that is all about the percentage requirement. Students should not have any pending backlog. So if you are having any backlogs, you cannot apply here. Also, they have given the year of, that is, gap in education, which is not exceeding 24 months. Age limit also they have given is 18 to 28 years of is the age limit. Prior work experience also they have given. Maximum you can have 2 years of work experience. If you are having more than 2 years of work experience, you cannot apply here. Okay, so mainly they're looking for freshers or entry level candidates up to 2 years of experience. Okay, now let us have a look on the test pattern. Again, they have given the details. The test pattern is, there is two parts of test or examination. Part A is cognitive skills and part B is programming skill. Part A consists of mainly aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, those areas. Totally 120 minutes is the time duration. Programming questions will be also there. There is programming logic test and also coding session. 60 minutes is the time duration. Total time given for the test is 180 minutes. So this is how you have to prepare. And in order to apply, what you have to do is you have to go to TCS Next Step portal. Just click here and you will be redirected to the TCS Next Step portal. You have to register as a new user under the category IT and then apply for Drive. Okay. Also, you can track your application after applying for Drive. Okay. So this is the last recruitment update, which is from TCS. So in this video, we have seen the recruitment updates from 4 different companies. So if you are interested in any of these companies or any of this post, actually we have discussed some internship openings also, because a lot of people are looking for internships. So if you are interested in any of this, please do check out the links which I'll be putting in description box. Please apply accordingly and please make use of this content. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and that's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.